Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Create a collection from a group of photos that appear at the same location on the map. This can be helpful if you have many photos from a shoot that appear in one location. To create a collection from a group of photos on the map, first make sure that the pin is unselected. Then right-click the preview pin for the group of photos. Then select the Create Collection command from the menu that appears. Note that there must be at least 2 photos in the group for the Create Collection option to appear in the pop-up menu. The Create Collection dialog box then appears where you can enter a name for the collection into the name field. If you like, you can add the collection to a collection set or make the new collection the target collection using the options in the dialog box. You can refer to the lessons in the Collections chapter for more information about using the Create Collection dialog box. After entering information into the dialog box, click the Create button. The new collection then appears within the Collections panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.